So we are explaining about Elite Global Dashboard Panel. After sign in will open Dashboard Panel. So first left side in panel showing menu icon and click on this, so here is showing list. So first here is showing homepage icon, so click now. First box showing user details of subscription, also ID is activate or not. If ID is inactivate, so primary, we required completing activate member process. How to activate your ID we are explaining in separate video. So next here is showing two types of wallet. First is Elite Global Pocket and second is Elite Static Pocket. 1. Elite Global Pocket. Elite Global Pocket is a main wallet, whereas update your daily income and user can withdrawal amount from here. Second is Elite Static Pocket. This is second wallet, which is mainly used for self-ID activation. Also activate another member ID. Third is My Earning. There is user can check report of all income, how much user earnings. Fourth is My Referrals. Here is user can check on upside showing total referrals IDs and downside showing user total active referrals IDs. Fifth is My Downline. Here is user can check on upside showing total downline IDs and downside showing user total active downline IDs. Sixth is Total Withdrawal. Here user can check her withdrawal history. Next is Left Volume. Here user can check her left volume. Next is Right Volume. Here user can check her right volume. Next is Left Carry. Here user can check her left side of business, who is carry forward according to right volume. Next is Right Carry. Here user can check her right side of business, who is carry forward on side. Next is Left Structure. Here user can check her left structure ID. Next is Right Structure. Here user can check her right structure ID. Next is Left Active. Here user can check her left active ID. Next is Right Active. Here user can check her right active ID. Next is in left side showing My Earning statics. Basically here user can understand here how much income earning by statics like cashback income, referral income, matching income, pool income, leadership income and royalty income by percentage. Next is in right side showing latest transactions. Here user can check her latest transactions. And at the bottom user can found here two sides showing link on green box. So basically, this is new member joining link. For joining left side leg or right side leg. So the user has to decide whether the new member has to join the left side or the right side. So decide accordingly. Send the link on social media. Click on social media icon and send for new member. So next panel is Add Fund. How to add funds. We are explaining about how to add fund and separately in another video, so please watch them. Next is Team and Network. Here user can check her how much team member add her network and total downline and left and right structure. Also pool details. First is My Structure, so click on this and check her direct structure list, so user can check here direct add her legs. Here check all users ID name, registered date, activation date and how many active member active, and check her position left or right. Second is My Downline, so click on this and check My Downline list, so user can check her total number of team whose add ID her downline. Also check all users ID name and subscription package, registration date, activation date, etc. Third is Genealogy View. Click on this and check Genealogy View. There is showing tree icon symbol. Black icon means empty ID position. Golden icon is registration complete but not in active position. And green icon means IDs is activate. What is Genealogy View? Genealogy View is a kind of tree structure where you can check her both side legs, also her downline whose ID is active or not. Fourth is Left Structure, so click on this and here user can check her total IDs whose add in left side. Also check her all details. Fifth is right structure, so click on this, and here user can check her total IDs who's at in right side. Also check her all details. Sixth is elite pool, so click on this, and user can check her how many pool completed. Here automatic updated when user completed pool, and also check pool legs positions. Next is transaction. So click now. First is elite global pocket, so click on this, and user can check easily all transaction history. Second is elite static pocket, so click on this, and user can check here easily all transactions history. Third is withdrawal history, so click on this, and user can check all withdrawal history. Fourth is transfer history, so click on this, and user can check her all transfer history. Next is report, so click on this. First is referral income, so click on this, and user can check her referral income. Second is referral returns, here user can her total referral returns details. Third is binary income, here user can check her total binary income. Fourth is binary returns, here user can check her total binary returns. Fifth is daily returns, here user can check her daily returns, how much user earn on daily basis. Sixth is pool income, here user can check her total pool income details. Seventh is leadership income, here user can check her total leadership income, how much user earn. Eighth is total income, here user can check her all income whose user earns. Next is retrieve pocket. Here parent user ID can retrieve her child ID pocket. Note it's applicable in only structured ID. Next is my account, here user can check and update her personal information details like mobile number, email ID. Also change password. Next is support, here user can take customer care support, so user will have to generate the ticket for the query. Next is logout, if user want close account window, so click on it. If user wants reopen, so go to sign in account, it will be reopen account. Thanks for watching.